Hey there, fellow drivers. Have you ever experienced the frustration of getting into your car only to find that your steering wheel is locked? Well, you're not alone. In today's video, we're going to unravel the mystery behind this common automotive annoyance and explore the reasons why your steering wheel might be locked. One of the primary reasons your steering wheel may be locked is tied to the ignition system. Modern cars are equipped with a feature that automatically locks the steering wheel when the ignition is turned off. This is a security measure designed to prevent theft. When you turn off your car, the steering wheel engages a locking mechanism. To unlock it, simply insert your key into the ignition and turn it to the on position. As you do this, you should be able to turn the steering wheel and regain control. Now, here's another common scenario. If you find that your steering wheel is locked and you're unable to start your car, it might be because the vehicle is not fully in park or neutral. Some cars have a safety feature that prevents the ignition from turning if the vehicle is not securely in the park or neutral position. Make sure your gear shifter is fully engaged in the park position and try turning the key again. Now, let's talk about the electrical side of things. A dead or weak battery can also lead to a locked steering wheel. When your battery is low or dead, the steering wheel lock may engage as a safety precaution. If you experience difficulty starting your car along with a locked steering wheel, it's worth checking your battery. Jump-starting your vehicle or replacing the battery may be necessary. Now let's talk about how to fix a locked steering wheel. There are a few things you can try to unlock your steering wheel. Method 1. Turn the key while gently rocking the steering wheel back and forth. This is often the easiest way to unlock the steering wheel. If it doesn't work, try the next step. Method 2. Try using a different key. If you have a spare key, try using it to unlock the steering wheel. Sometimes a worn key can get stuck in the ignition and prevent the steering wheel from unlocking. Method 3. Check the neutral safety switch. The neutral safety switch prevents the car from starting in gear. If it's not working properly, it can also prevent the steering wheel from unlocking. To check the neutral safety switch, make sure the car is in park or neutral and try to turn the key. If the steering wheel still doesn't unlock, you may need to have the switch replaced. Method 4. Check the power steering fluid. If your car has power steering, low power steering fluid can cause the steering wheel to lock. To check the power steering fluid level, locate the power steering fluid reservoir and check the fluid level on the dipstick. If the fluid level is low, add more power steering fluid. So there you have it, folks. The next time you find yourself wondering, why is my steering wheel locked? Remember to check the ignition, make sure your car is in park or neutral, and consider the health of your battery. These simple steps should help you unlock the mystery behind your steering wheel woes. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more automotive tips. Drive safely, and I'll catch you in the next video.